1.7 billion.
Thanks. Oh, everyone, welcome. I think now we have a quorum. We'll start the meeting. A quick introduction. Proud to be the chair for the Grand Granite Diaspora Circle and the Grand Granite Diaspora Investment. This will be our 5th year for the circle and our 4th year for the investment. We started from what I can say, 2 members, 1 member talking to another 1 member. I've been giving this story before. And then it spread to 2 other members, and then it became 5 members who are the founders of this, and then spread out to all the co-members, who were about 25. And then from there, we formed the circle, and then we also opened up the investment arm. I will recognize the founders here, and one of the founders will give a short remark. But the founders, if you can come to the screen, if you are able to, I know 1 or 2 might not be able. First, Madam Lillian. Madam Lillian, if you can say hi. Madam Lillian was the original founder and the initial of the thought.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. It's an honor to have you all here. And for the first time, we are able to see so many faces. So I wish this is the time you could have started toasting, but you're bad. So thank you for buying into the idea, for working with us, and also contributing immensely to this idea that we started called the Grand Granite Diaspora Circle. Together, we are headed for greater heights. Financially, we're going to have a breakthrough. Kama mulisikia hiyo maombi, kama hukusikia shauri yako. Me, I was listening. And I said amen with all my voice. And even my heart was almost bursting. So stay blessed. Let's keep on cultivating this seed until we see the harvest. God bless you.
Thank you, Madam Lillian. Dr. Jacob Ongaki.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Members, thank you so much for coming in today, and glad to see at least the representation today, and this is really great. And for my part, I just wanted to introduce, of course, as Chairman said, my name is Jacob Ongaki. You go by any name that you want to, so long as it's respectful. I'm okay with whichever way that you want to be able to name me. So happy to be part of this